mommy, dog mommy. That's not it. You gotta hop, bro. You gotta jump. You got, You ain't taking my cover nowhere. Dog, mom. You got dog, mom. Go, dog. It's recording. Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Alien RSE. Still over here, my Mad Director. Just want to tell y'all a little something. Y'all need to check out. Go to It's B Scully, and then it should pop up and say dog mommy. Or just type in dog mommy, it'll pop up too. But yeah, it's raw. Dog mommy's better, man.
No, it's not.
It is. That's what I say. Dog mommy. This is dog mommy, y'all. Scully go to work, drug dealer, jeans shiny like Thriller. Just took it, girl.
Hey, what is that, Cat Daddy?
My dog mommy did it so good, made a shiver. West Coast Dougie call it jigging. Call it what you want, but I hate it. Hop left, hop right, then you did with it. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, alright? Hold on, I'm about to. I'm gonna show y'all how to jump. The baby's here. Never mind. Yeah, never mind. I don't dance with babies alright. It's too dangerous. That's nuts. Put your other hand right behind your butt. Put your hand like you're grabbing on nuts. Put your other hand right behind your butt. Dog mommy. God, that doesn't work. Do my dog mommy. 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 Dog like ISIS. Jerking taking over like a virus. When I'm at the club, I buggy hit my dog mommy. All the girls wanna make me ugly. Hand bites on, street crushing. Got a lot of haters, put them in a dungeon. Stack chips out this game and some ice cream. My flow sweet, not talking about niceness. Call me plaintiff, stealing Krabby Patties. Then I go to work, do my dog mommy. Call me plaintiff, stealing Krabby Patties. Then I go to work, do my dog mommy.
Go to work.
Dog
do my cat daddy.
Do my dog mommy. Do my dog mommy. Man, you a hater, bro. Why you gotta
do my cat daddy?
No, get on my video. No, you a hater, bro. You a hater. This is supposed to be for dog mommy. Dog mommy all day, baby. Dog mommy all day, baby. Yeah. This is not my song, y'all. It's B Scully song. This is remix, Cat Daddy. Dog mommy, you already know what it is. Why are you looking at me like that? I am getting scared. Anyway, bye. And you know this, man.